following messages transmitted at the request of the Luzerne County Emergency Management Agency. As of 9:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm has resulted in loss of power at the Luzerne County 911 Center. Therefore, 911 service in the county will not be operating for the rest of the night. The service should resume tomorrow morning, around 8 a.m. Until then, in the event of an emergency requiring law enforcement, the Sheriff's Office can be reached at 570-825-1651. In the event of an emergency requiring the fire department or ambulance services, residents should call their local fire department, who will forward any emergencies requiring ambulance service to nearby responders.